Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will understand difference between growth of living and non-living organism. So there is a certain difference between growth of living and non-living organism. In case of living organisms, suppose this is a living organism, this is a plant suppose, and this is shoot tip of a plant. So plant will grow upward. So here growth will occur due to growth of inner cells or division in here. There are certain cells which will divide. So cells that are present inner side will divide and causes growth. So here cells that are present inner side, inner to the body of organism will divide, and when this cell divide, this shoot will elongate. So here growth is occurring internal. In case of living organism, growth occurs internally. Internally cells divide and elongate. So due to cell division and cell elongation, the body will increase in size. That is called growth. So here growth occurs internally. But in case of non-living organisms, in case of non-living objects, growth occurs externally. Suppose this is a desert. So here sand will deposit external upper part of this desert. Sand will continue to deposit there, and ultimately it will grows in size. So here growth of this desert occurs due to deposition of sand externally. So growth in case of living organisms occur internally. Internally means inside the body. So here growth occur inside body due to cell division and cell elongation. But in case of non-living objects, growth occurs due to deposition of sand externally. So this is difference between growth of living and non-living organism.